Oh, hey there, come on in. Welcome to our showroom. You have arrived and you're at the right place. So this is the Restoration Roofing showroom. There's a whole lot going on here, and basically this is an embodiment of everything that we sell and everything that we install. So I'm gonna start with the obvious, the shingles. What's really cool about this showroom is we have almost every Atlas Pinnacle Pristine color, which is the main shingle that we sell the most of. We have almost every color, and what we've tried to do is group them by color. So you can notice we've got some more browns here. We've got our Majestic Shake, which is more of a universal color. We've got our Copper Canyon, which also goes really well with tan and gray and brown homes. And then we have our weathered woods, our two main weathered woods, which go with every single color. Now let me take you around the other side and show you the whites and the grays. So all these colors here, Coastal Granite, Hearthstone, Pewter, Summerstorm, we kept these together because these go really well with light gray homes, homes that have a slurry to them, any type of slurry or painted brick or white siding. This will give you that real modern kind of farmhouse look. You know, it's anywhere from the grays. These have a little green hue, got a little blue hue, and these have a little bit of red on them. Then over here, we have our colors that are kind of one-off colors. Pristine Heather is a very dark brown. We've got the green. We don't sell a lot of it, but you always got to represent the green. We've got our Pristine Black, and then we've got this red burnt sienna. So that's kind of, these are the main colors that Atlas offers and sells. There's a couple more, but this is 99% of them. But if there's any other colors that you're interested in, we do have sample boards that have every single color on them. But I also want to talk about the gutters we have here. So we do install and we sell gutters. Right here we have 5-inch gutters in a brown color, and we've got two different downspouts. We've got our 3x4-inch rectangular downspouts, and then over here we have our 4-inch round downspouts because we can install any type of downspout you actually want. And then this is our raindrop gutter guard. You can come in here and beat on these and do whatever you want. These are an excellent gutter guard. We have never had a single complaint about this product at all. We've got an open valley here to show you that we do like copper. We do like metal valleys. We think it's a higher quality product, and it really sets your roof apart from everything else. So we wanted to go with copper. It's been touched by a lot of people, so it's got some little stains on it, but that copper will last forever. So here's one of the coolest features. This is our solar powered blind system. You've got the solar powered blind and the actual solar powered skylight that will vent open. And we've got all the remotes here to play with them. This is the one for the blind. You can see it's opening. But I want to move on to the actual floor that we are standing on. This is another product that we install. This is called Deck Tech. You can see we have this whole display right here where you can look at all the different colors, and there's booklets and all sorts of literature here, little coasters that you can have. But this floor is really cool. This serves as a waterproof membrane. So if you have a balcony or any kind of patio that you have like livable space beneath it, this is the best alternative to putting tile or Trex decking on that space. You put this there, it's basically a decorative product with the strength of a commercial roof. So I wanted everybody to see this and walk on it and experience it. And it's been here a while. It's already had some abuse from us, and it's held up really well. Now back here we have hardy siding. So right here we've got the textured hardy siding, and then we have our smooth hardy siding, which are the two main styles of siding we install. On the ends you have two different shake styles, and again we've got more samples for the raindrop gutter guards you can take, but there's everything in this showroom is something that we install or we sell. So that was my goal for building this thing. We love using this as a tool. Like when people want to pick out a color, these sample boards only do so much. I mean, this is so small compared to seeing a big section of shingles actually installed. So that's why we built this thing. We wanted to give you the option to actually come in here and feel them and, you know, actually get a feel for what they look like installed. So it's like a little bitty awkwardly shaped house with a roof and an exterior wall for you to look at. So the last thing I want to show you, and something else that's really cool, something I built myself, is over here. So if you press this little button on the wall, it actually starts a water feature. So this is really cool. You actually get to see water coming down the roof. You get to see these gutter guards in action. And it makes a nice little noise too for all of us in there working. So I hope we have the opportunity to work together and you have the chance to come out and check this out. I'd love to meet you. If you've liked the video, please comment, ask any questions, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.